If you think all drawing tablets are the same, think again, because the right one could completely transform your art game. In this video, we're diving deep into the best drawing tablets with a screen you can buy right now. From budget-friendly picks to high-end professional tools, we'll count down from number 7 all the way to number 1. I've personally tested these tablets to see which actually delivers smooth pen response, vibrant color displays, and intuitive workflow, and which look great on paper but stumble in real-world use. 7. Wacom CTL472K1A. It's a compact tablet that doesn't include a screen, but it's an excellent gateway tool for anyone starting out in digital art. What I liked most while testing it was the lightweight design and Wacom's signature reliable pen tracking. The pressure sensitivity feels smooth, and even though it doesn't boast insanely high specs, it gets the essentials right for sketching and line work. One thing that stands out is its plug-and-play simplicity. You just connect it via USB, and it works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, and even Android devices. For beginners who don't want complicated setups, that's a huge plus. The pen, which doesn't need a battery, feels comfortable in hand, and its response accuracy gives you a surprising sense of control for its price range. It's definitely one of Wacom's best entry-level options. However, I have to say, after using tablets with built-in displays, drawing on a blank surface while looking at a separate screen feels a bit disconnected. It takes a while to build that hand-eye coordination. The texture of the surface is also more slippery than some may prefer, which can make lines feel less organic. It's not a deal breaker, but something beginners should be aware of. Still, for a simple, affordable, and sturdy tablet, the Wacom holds up. It's not meant for pros, but it's the perfect practice ground before investing in something bigger. If you're still exploring digital art and want a solid introduction, this little tablet makes for a great start. 6. Wacom Movink 13. This tablet offers a fresh, portable take on Wacom's display tablets. The OLED screen is what grabbed my attention first. The colors are deep and vivid, with contrast levels that make illustrations and animations look dynamic and crisp. It's significantly thinner and lighter than traditional Wacom displays, which makes it a dream to carry if you work on the go. When I tested it, the stylus performance was exactly what you'd expect from Wacom: smooth, precise, and responsive. The drawing experience was fluid, and the screen's anti-glare finish made it comfortable for long drawing sessions under any lighting. I noticed zero lag, which kept the creative flow uninterrupted. The Movink also works well with major design software, from Photoshop to Clip Studio Paint. Now, here's where I noticed some trade-offs. Because it's built for portability, Wacom had to make compromises. The 13-inch screen, while vibrant, can feel restrictive if you're used to a larger canvas. Also, it requires an external power source through USB-C, which limits mobility if you're using it with something like an iPad or a compact laptop without enough ports. The lack of physical shortcut buttons also means you'll rely heavily on keyboard shortcuts or on-screen menus. Despite that, the Movink 13 is a fantastic portable option for artists who love Wacom's quality but don't want the bulk. It's stylish, ultra-slim, and offers professional-grade drawing performance. Just be prepared to trade a few conveniences for portability. Number 5. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad. This one feels like a hidden gem. It's a standalone drawing tablet, meaning you don't need to connect it to a computer. That alone sets it apart from most competitors at this price point. During my hands-on testing, I loved how naturally the pen glided across the textured surface. The 12.2-inch LCD screen offers vivid colors and great contrast, and the battery-free stylus makes it even more convenient for on-the-go creativity. What impressed me most was how smooth and lag-free the drawing experience was. It uses XPPen's battery-free X3 Pro pencil, which offers over 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. Whether sketching, shading, or painting, it responded instantly to every stroke. This tablet runs Android, so you can download art apps like Metabang, Ibis Paint, or Clip Studio Paint directly onto the device. It's basically like having your entire art studio in your backpack. The Magic Drawing Pad also has strong hardware, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and a battery that lasts a full working day with ease. The display is laminated to reduce parallax, making drawing feel closer to traditional pen and paper. The only slight downside is that the screen's brightness isn't as high as premium tablets, so if you're working outdoors or under direct light, visibility can take a hit. Overall, the XPPen Magic Drawing Pad feels like a brilliant middle ground for artists who want freedom, flexibility, and power without dealing with cables or PCs. It's modern, intuitive, and surprisingly capable for its price range. 4. Huion KAMVAS Pro 16. This is a tablet that seriously impressed me with its professional-grade display quality and overall user experience. The moment you switch it on, you'll notice just how sharp and color-accurate the screen is. The 15.6-inch laminated display eliminates the annoying gap between pen and screen, making strokes feel directly under your hand. The etched glass surface gives just enough resistance to make drawing feel natural, almost like sketching on paper. Huion's PenTech 3.0 stylus is one of the biggest highlights here. The pen is ultra-responsive, with no noticeable lag or jitter, and the 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity make it great for fine, detailed work. I also appreciated how Huion included several customizable shortcut keys and a handy touch bar on the side, helping control zoom, brush size, and more without touching the keyboard. After hours of editing illustrations, it still felt comfortable to use, a sign of good ergonomics. During my test sessions, I found this tablet plays beautifully with software like Krita, Photoshop, and Blender. The color reproduction is impressive, hitting 120% sRGB, making it a reliable tool for tasks like concept art or color-sensitive design. The build feels sturdy and refined, far beyond what its price might suggest. If there's one nitpick, it would be the brightness. It's good, but not the brightest in direct sunlight. Still, in any indoor setup, it's plenty vivid. For anyone moving from hobby-level drawing to semi-professional illustration, the KAMVAS Pro 16 is one of the most balanced tablets out there. Number 3. XENCELABS Drawing Tablet Medium. There's a reason artists are starting to talk about this brand more and more. From the moment I unboxed it, the attention to detail stood out. The packaging, the design, and even the setup felt premium. It doesn't just look good, it performs brilliantly. The surface texture, pen feel, and accuracy combine to deliver one of the most natural digital drawing experiences I've had. XENCELABS pairs this tablet with two pens, a thin pen and a 3-button pen. It might seem like a small thing, but this flexibility really helps adapt to different workflows. I used the 3-button pen for 3D sculpting and found it incredibly intuitive, while the thin pen is perfect for delicate line work or inking. The shortcut dial accessory that comes with it is another massive plus. It's wireless, magnetic, and customizable, allowing you to adjust zoom, rotate canvases, or switch tools quickly. Performance-wise, pen pressure and tilt response are immaculate. The lines are smooth and precise with zero lag. Though this particular device doesn't have a built-in screen, its accuracy and control make it ideal for artists who prefer working on their monitor with direct pen input. The wireless feature adds a clean, cable-free workspace, which I loved during long work sessions. The only minor downside, it's a bit pricier than other screenless tablets. But the combination of comfort, precision, and customization makes it absolutely worth it. XENCELABS shows how premium drawing can feel, even without a display. 2. Wacom Cintiq 22. It truly lives up to Wacom's legendary reputation among professional artists. The 22-inch Full HD display provides plenty of space to work with, creating an incredibly immersive environment. After testing, I immediately noticed how natural the pen-to-screen experience felt, thanks to the etched glass surface that mimics the drag of pencil on paper. Combined with Wacom's Pro Pen 2 technology, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it captures every subtle nuance of my strokes. The large display makes this tablet ideal for detailed illustrations, animation, or digital painting. The color reproduction is vibrant, covering 72% NTSC, which is well balanced for production-level work. It's also highly stable and sturdy, with a stand that lets you adjust to almost any angle for comfort. Setting it up was easy. It connects via HDMI and USB. No complicated driver hassles. During long sessions, it handled everything I threw at it. No overheating, no delays, and definitely no skipping. However, the tablet isn't exactly portable. It's designed to sit permanently on your desk. It also lacks built-in shortcut buttons, which some power users may miss. Still, the performance more than makes up for those minor points. All in all, the Wacom Cintiq 22 feels like a true artist's workspace. It doesn't just respond to your commands, it feels like an extension of your hand. It's reliable, smooth, and ready for professional creative projects of any scale. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. This is the holy grail of drawing tablets with screens, hands down. Whether you're an illustrator, concept artist, or animator, the Cintiq Pro 24 gives you everything you could possibly want in a digital drawing experience. From the moment I started testing it, it felt buttery smooth. The 4K UHD display delivers such razor-sharp detail and vibrant color accuracy that every brushstroke looks alive. It covers 99% Adobe RGB, making it ideal for color-critical work. The Cintiq Pro 24 supports Wacom's Pro Pen 2 technology, complete with tilt recognition and unparalleled pressure control. It reads even the most delicate strokes flawlessly, without lag or jitter. The experience feels just as natural as drawing with real ink, if not smoother. The etched glass gives perfect tactile resistance, and the fully laminated display eliminates any parallax, creating the illusion that your pen is drawing directly on the pixels. The build quality is premium in every sense, solid, sleek, and designed for professionals. You also get the Express Key remote for customizable shortcuts, and the massive workspace feels liberating if you've been working on smaller screens. During long production sessions, it stayed cool, quiet, and consistent, proving it's engineered for heavy, everyday use. Of course, excellence comes at a price. The Cintiq Pro 24 isn't cheap, but if you earn your living as an artist or designer, it's not a cost, it's an investment. The visual and tactile feedback this tablet provides makes it one of the most immersive creative tools I've ever used. Closing. So there you have it, 7 of the best drawing tablets with screens, and a couple without that you can buy right now. Whether you're just starting out or you're deep into professional illustration, there's something here for every artist and every budget. Which one fits your workflow best? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dive reviews just like this.